how to download Gate.io application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to download the Gate application on your smartphone, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store and go to the search bar and type in Gate. Now search and look for the application that says Gate Buy Bitcoin and Crypto from Gate Global UAB. Now tap on the Get button or the Install button. If you're using iOS, you'll need to go ahead and scan your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. So go ahead and do that to get the app download started. Now wait for the application to download and install. It'll take a while depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Always download the application from your App Store or your Play Store only. Once the app is installed, tap on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Gate.io application, or also known as Gate application, on your mobile device. Now you are ready to start creating an account, deposit crypto, and start trading. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.